How to change font size in WhatsApp. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily customize it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right top, you can see this three dot icon. Simply tap on this three dot icon and on the bottom, tap on settings. So basically we're in the settings interface. Here, you'll be able to find different options and even customize it. So slowly scroll down. Here there's a section of chats. Tap on chats, and if you slowly scroll down, you'll be able to find a section of font size. Tap on font size. So this is the place where you can customize and make changes in the fonts. So it's up to you and the way you like it. So simply tap on the one that you want to change into, and at last hit on OK, and you're all set to go. So the font size has been changed. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.